What you can also do with Snagit is talk and draw over the screenshots. So for that, I'm going to go to library right here, and then I'm going to go around into all the images right here. So let's just go around right here, bring in our YouTube screenshot, which is right here. So let me just import this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record a video out of this. So I'm going to go to file right here. So I'm going to create a video from images. And now what I can do is I can simply start recording and start showing things right here, just like that. I can go to quick styles, draw out things, and then point things around. So let's just get ahead and get started with it. So everything in your favorites will be accessible right here. 3, 2, 1. All right, so this is my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you can subscribe on to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button right here. These are the number of my current subscribers right here, and the latest uploads are all available right here. My channel is regarding all of these tutorials. So we cover up a lot of Adobe applications and other applications right there. So now this is YouTube, so you can just go around right here, scroll down and so forth according to what you like, just like that. So you can scroll down to access more, just like that. Coming on over onto my desktop right here, this is my computer, this is Recycle Bin, Text and Snagit Editor right over here. So I'm just going to stop the recording right there, and the video has been made just like that with the audio. So I'm just going to mute the audio, but you'll be able to see what happens is that now all of the drawings that I made right here, like the arrows, is being recorded, as you can see along the way. So you can hear out the audio as well, and then you can point out different things on the screen. You can drag out the shapes, and everything is recorded just like that, as you can see as you go along and record your screen. And that is how you can talk and draw over screen by using Snagit Editor, by using the create video from images feature inside. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.